Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to install APS Currency Switcher, an add-on plugin for Arena Products Store WordPress plugin. After installing the APS Currency Switcher, your visitors can switch between multiple currencies. Navigate to Plugins, add new plugin from your WP admin dashboard. Click on Upload plugin, then click on Choose File button. In the file browser, select the aps-currency.zip. Assuming you have already extracted the downloaded package from CodeCanyon.net. Click on Install Now button, wait for a few seconds. You will see a successfully installed message. Now click on Activate plugin button to activate the APS Currency Switcher add-on plugin. In the next screen, you will see the APS Currency Switcher add-on plugin is installed and activated. After activating the APS Currency Switcher, you will see a new menu entry under the APS Store link in the sidebar navigation of WordPress admin dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully installed and activated the APS Currency Switcher add-on plugin for Arena Products Store WordPress plugin. Thank you for watching.